Hey everyone, welcome back to Stocks Telegraph, your go-to place for the latest stock market insights, tech updates, and all the companies pushing the boundaries of innovation. In today's video, we're diving deep into a company that's taking the quantum computing world by storm, Quantum Computing Incorporated, ticker symbol QUBT. If you're curious about this high-tech stock and what the future holds, you're in the right place. Now, you might be asking, what's all the hype about Quantum Computing Incorporated? Why should investors care? How's the stock doing? Well, stick around because we're going to break it all down for you, from their latest financial performance to the big developments that could change everything. Let's get started. But before we do that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates. And if you like what you hear today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are into tech and investing. We'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, so make sure to drop a line. All right, let's kick things off by talking about Quantum Computing Incorporated stock performance. Right now, QUBT is trading at $17.99 per share. Not too shabby, right? But here's where things get even more interesting. Analysts have slapped a strong buy rating on the stock, with a 1.00 consensus rating. In case you're wondering, that's about as confident as you can get without pulling out the party hats. Now get this, quantum computing has absolutely crushed it this year. The stock has shot up by an incredible 1,870.03% year to date. Talk about some insane growth. In just the past month alone, it's up 170.50%. Yeah, you're listening right. 170% in just 30 days. But before we get carried away, it's important to note that the stock is still about 33.74% below its 52-week high. Could this mean there's still room for more upside? It's looking like it. What's even better is that quantum computing has shown solid growth in its earnings, with a 34.21% increase in EPS this year and a much stronger 57.52% growth in EPS on a trailing 12-month basis. And when it comes to revenue, QEP isn't sitting still. They've grown their sales by 35.65%. Safe to say there's some serious demand for their tech, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. Now let's talk about debt, something every investor should keep an eye on. Quantum Computing Incorporated has a super low debt-to-equity ratio of 0.12. This is a good sign that the company is managing its finances pretty well, which adds another layer of confidence for anyone looking to invest. We know QUBT's stock is on fire, but let's dive into what's really driving all this momentum, the tech. This is where things get really exciting. Quantum Computing Incorporated is at the forefront of quantum computing and photonics, and they've recently scored some major partnerships that could seriously change the game. First up, they've teamed up with none other than NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center. Yup, you heard that right. NASA. They're going to be using quantum computing's Dirac-3 quantum optimization machine to tackle complex problems like radar-generated data and phase unwrapping, a major challenge for NASA's advanced imaging systems. If the company can crack this, they'll gain a major edge in industries that rely on large-scale data processing. But wait, there's more. Quantum computing has also secured two massive orders, TFLN photonic chips. The first is from a leading research institute in Asia, focusing on high-performance photonic integrated circuits and nanophotonic devices. The second one comes from the University of Texas at Austin to support research in chip-scale acoustic systems. These are some huge wins for quantum computing and show that the demand for its advanced photonic technology is booming. And here's something to keep on your radar. Quantum computing is on track to complete its photonic chip foundry in Tempe, Arizona, set to open in first quarter 2025. This foundry will help solidify QUBT's position as a leader in the TFLN-based optical chip market. They're also teaming up with Spark Photonics Design and Alcyon Photonics to develop process design kits for their TFLN tech, which should be ready by 2025. Big moves, right? Now let's circle back to the financials. For third quarter 2024, Quantum Computing posted $101,000 in revenue, more than double the $50,000 they made in the same period last year. Sure, their gross margin has taken a little hit due to scaling costs, but they've still managed to cut operating expenses by 18%, which is always a good sign for profitability down the road. They've also raised $7 million through convertible debt financing, which strengthens their balance sheet and gives them more breathing room to continue expanding. This is an important step for the company as they build out their operations and keep pushing forward with their cutting-edge tech. So, what's the takeaway here? Quantum Computing Incorporated is making massive strides in both the quantum computing and photonics sectors. With their partnerships with NASA, booming demand for their photonic chips, and the upcoming launch of their photonic chip foundry, quantum computing is looking like a company to watch closely. They're still in the early stages of scaling up, but their financial growth, strategic collaborations, and technological innovations are setting them up for a bright future. All right, folks, that's a wrap on today's video about quantum computing. What do you think about the company's recent developments and the future potential of their stock? Are you ready to jump on the quantum computing bandwagon, or do you think there's more to be seen? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Stocks Telegraph. And hey, share this video with anyone who's into the stock market or fascinated by the world of quantum computing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned, stay invested, and as always, keep an eye on the future. See you next time.